Reduce sugar. Sugar in many places burns the liver, the reason being that simple sugar only provides instant energy. They do not provide continuous power. When the body gets sharp spikes and subsequent energy drops from eating lighter sugars, it begins to arm itself with other ways to provide sustained energy and smooth that sharp turn. The easiest and most obvious way to do this is to create your own oil stores that I can pull off when the energy spike from light sugar gets old. If you eat simple sugars such as desserts, breads, and anything made from refined flour or brown sugar, the liver can cause the body to store more fat than it could otherwise. One of the first areas where the body stores fat is the stomach. Instead, choose complex carbohydrates that break down slowly and, therefore, give the body equal and continuous energy. Examples include cereals, oatmeal, beans, peas, and vegetables. And these, too, are only moderate. So you don't have to live with the excess sugar that is needed for your current energy needs that could eventually be converted into a lot of fat stores.